Hi there. Today I'm excited to share with you a timely government-sponsored solar program through FHA. Before we get started, let me introduce our presentation sponsor and your local green lender, Jennifer Roblee. We are proud to announce FHA has a new solar program called the Energy Efficient Mortgage, where you can add the cost of installing solar to your home loan with no additional qualifying. Today you will learn about why the government created this program, who benefits, and how it works. Let's get started. The primary reason the government created this program is to help homebuyers and existing homeowners achieve an energy-efficient home at the time of purchase or refinance with little to no out-of-pocket expense. Because let's face it, due to the expense of down payment, closing costs, and moving costs, a large percentage of homebuyers are cash poor at the time of purchase and can't afford to pay out of pocket for solar. And as you know, electricity rates continue to increase year after year, making monthly utility costs a growing burden on family budgets. By taking advantage of the Energy Efficient Mortgage program, you will experience an immediate positive cash flow due to substantial savings from solar technology. Here's how it works. You are allowed to add the cost of installing solar to your home loan with no additional qualifying or down payment. For example, according to program guidelines, your monthly solar energy savings must be greater than the monthly add-on payment. This means that in most cases, you will see a monthly net profit. On top of immediate monthly energy savings, the government also gives you a substantial federal tax credit as a reward for installing solar. And as a matter of policy, all solar equipment and components are made here in the U.S. Now you understand how it works, who it benefits, and why the government created this Energy Efficient Mortgage solar program. Here's a brief recap of the benefits of this outstanding new program. 1. It is available for anyone purchasing or refinancing with an FHA loan. 2. It has no additional qualifying or down payment requirement. 3. It does not complicate or delay your normal loan transaction. 4. It guarantees positive cash flow immediately as a result of energy savings in solar technology. And 5. Solar provides peace of mind over rising electricity rates. So if this program is something you'd like to learn more about, contact your presentation sponsor today. We look forward to helping you on your path to energy freedom.